Ready?
Yes. So,
Turn it on and press that. It's already in AC, which is blue.
blue
But
is
if it-
AC. Okay.
But if it's not, that's in heat. We don't
Oh,
want
no.
heat. That's just fan.
Okay. So you want it blue.
You want it
That
blue
makes sense for
air
cold.
conditioning.
And can you adjust the temperature or
Yeah,
leave it
that-
at 20?
Well, that's set to 20. That's the current temperature in the bus. So you can
Okay.
go. You can get 19.
Well, 20 would probably be a little cold.
You can go 22. That's
Yeah,
what
let's
I
leave it at that. And then if they need to change it. Perfect. And to turn it off, you just hit the off button again.
want. That one, yeah.
Perfect.